Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to remove the bumper clips without breaking them. Be it Honda, Chevrolet, whatever type of car you have, you gotta have to have these tools. So I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this at. Everything is in it, all the kinds of clips, the retainers, and the tools to pop them all up, okay, without breaking them. So I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it safely and easily, okay? Whether you're DIY guy, DIY, or professional mechanic, watch this tutorial. Okay, so first thing first, you got this tool, you're gonna align it and then wiggle it side to side and fry it out. Okay, so you set them up right there. Okay, wiggle side to side and then pry them all out and then set it aside. Super easy, right? Yep, set this aside. So now you're gonna need the new clips. It comes to the one I was telling you. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below. So what you're gonna do, you're not gonna push the clips in yet. You just gotta align it and push that thing down, and then now you push it with your thumb all the way down. Okay, hold it, push it down, hold it. Okay, hold it for 3 seconds, and that's it. And then on your dome light, you can pop that out using the orange tool. Like what I said, I put the link on the description down below to make your life easy so you won't break them. Okay, it's right there. So stick it in there, the sharp part, and then pry it out. Stick it in there, fry it all out. Same thing with the window controller. That's the tool you're gonna need. Okay, without breaking them, slide it in there, lift it up, and then walk it around. Super easy, right? Wow, it's out. That's the window controller. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this at. Thank you.